Finding sector and segment of a circle. Performance task in mathematics technique. Sector of a circle. The region bounded by an arc of the circles and the two radius to the endpoint of the arc. Sector RPT, area sector of RPT. Sector of a circle. Find the area of sector RPT, area sector RPT. Sample number 1. First, we need to find the ratio of a circle. Then divide by the whole circle. Ang ratio po natin is 60 degree. Ito, tapos i-divide natin siya sa 360 degree. Tapos ilo-lowest term natin yung 60 and 360. Since ang ratio niya ay 60. Tapos i-divide natin siya sa whole circle which is 360 degree. Ang lowest term ng 60 ay 1. And ang lowest term ng 360 is 60. Then 1/6. Area of the circle. A equal pi r square. A equal pi 10 cm square. Then substitute lang natin yung pi which is 10. Ito 10 cm. 10 cm magiging 10 square since yun yung formula natin. Ito pi yan. 10 squared pi cm squared. Tapos substitute natin siya. 10 times 10 is equal to 100. A equal 100 square pi cm square. Then yan po. Then hanapin na natin yung area of sector RPT. Then ito, lagay natin dito equal to 1/6 then 100 pi m squared. Then ang final answer po natin 1 times 100 is equal to 100 pi cm squared. Then over 6. Pwede pa natin siyang i-lowest term. Ang lowest term ng 100 natin dito is 50 pi. Then ang lowest term ng 6 natin ay 3 cm squared. Malo-lowest term lang natin siya kapag whole number pa rin yung isang number. Hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-level sila. Halimbawa may 0.6 ganun. Bawal na po siya. Basta kailangan po natin may lowest term lang natin siya if kailangan or may whole number pa rin. Example number 2. Find the area of sector ABC. So, hanapin lang po natin yung ratio niya. Ang ratio nito ay 120. Ito po, hindi po natin yan papansinin since 120 po talaga to. Lagay natin dito, baguhin ko lang po saglit, is 120. 120 degree po yan. Tapos, hahanapin lang po natin yung ano niya. Ito, ang ano niya po ay 120. Ang ratio niya is 120. Tapos, i-divide natin siya sa whole circle which is 360. Then, lowest term, 120 is 1. 360 is 3. Then B, area of the circle. A equal pi r square. A equal pi ACM squared. Then 8 cm. 8 times 2. Ayan, is 8 square. Hanapin natin yan. Ang equal niya is 82. Tapos bababa natin siya dito. Tapos yan, A equal pi 82 cm squared. Then, yan, A equal pi 64 cm squared. Then find the product, ratio, and area. Area of sector ABC. 1/3 64 pi cm squared equal to 64 pi divide by 3 cm squared. Ang final answer po natin dito ay 64 pi over 3. Example, segment of a circle is the region bounded by an arc and the segment joining its endpoint. Area sector MNP, area of the triangle. Hahanapin naman po natin dito yung sa MNP, tapos yung area of the triangle natin. Kung kanina MNP, ngayon naman po area of the triangle. Segment of a circle. Find the area of the shaded segment, area of sector MNP. First, we need to find the ratio. Ang ratio po natin is 90. Wala to, typo lang po yan. 90, then 360. Tapos lowest term lang po natin siya. Ang lowest term ng 90 is 1/4. Then area of the circle, A equal pi r square. A equal pi 6 cm squared. 6 cm squared is equal to 62. Then A equal pi 62 cm squared. Tapos po, A equal 36 pi cm squared. Then, we need to find the product ratio and P. 1 divided by 4, 36 cm squared. 1 times 36 is equal to 36 over 4 cm squared. Since pwede pa po natin siya ma-lowest term, 36 divide 4 is equal to 9 cm squared. So, ang final answer po natin ay 9 cm squared. Ayan po. Since tapos na natin hanapin yung ratio, hahanapin naman po natin yung area of the triangle. Kasi po, tapos na natin hanapin yung ratio sa area of sector MNP. Ngayon naman po, hahanapin natin yung area of the triangle. First, find the area of the shaded segment. Area of sector MNP, 9 pi cm squared. Area of the triangle A sector equal 1/2. Then, divide and height. Since parehas lang po yung bind natin tsaka height, which is 6 cm, ang formula natin is equal 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Tapos, over 2 cm squared equal 18 cm squared. So, yan po yung 36 divide 2 is equal to 18 cm squared. Yan po yung final answer natin. That's all. Thank you for listening.